Girls don't gatekeep, so let's talk about the 10 Amazon products every girl needs. First and foremost are earrings. This gold hoop right here comes in a pack of a bunch of different gold hoops. They do not tarnish. I've had them for almost a year. I wear them in the shower. I wear them in the gym. They're under $20. I'm obsessed. If you have acne and specifically those pimples that are just like really deep under the skin, you hold this on it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Wake up the next morning, your pimple will be gone. My esthetician uses it and it works. 10 out of 10. I've said it once, I'll say it a million more times. If you're not double cleansing, I don't know what you're doing. I remove all my makeup with a makeup remover. Then I go in with this oil and it gets off all of the makeup that I didn't get off with the makeup remover. It also helps with blackheads and just the overall texture of your skin. Facial brush right here. I was an avid Clarisonic user until I found this brush. $30 and it does the exact same thing. I have to talk about this A necklace right here. Only like $12 or $15. So cute. It's so chunky and it just elevates the outfit. Pressed whitening strips. These are the sensitive kind. To use the regular kind and they would make my teeth hurt so bad. I switched to the sensitive kind and they don't make my teeth sensitive. My teeth are super white. Alligator hair clips. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. I used to have these little teeny tiny hair clips for my hair and they just did not hold all my hair back. These are large and they will actually hold all of your hair back and out of your face. I love them. If you're into car organization like I am, I love to have a clean, organized car. This cute little car registration and insurance holder, oh my gosh. It has different pockets where you can put your insurance and registration and then one big pocket on this side. I just think it's so cute and it's pink. The lip combo that will change your life. I'm wearing it right now. This is lip liner from NYX, a lip oil from Melania. Specifically get them off Amazon because anytime I go to Target, they are always sold out. In the shade Nude Truffle, and she is truly that girl. Lip oil is so moisturizing. I will wear this to go to the gym, to run errands. It smells like watermelon. Yum. I don't know what it is about my under eyes this month, but they have been so dry. I found this off Amazon. It's an eye cream. It's from Belief. And hands down, the best eye cream. It's not super thick, perfect amount of moisture. These will be linked on my Amazon. Let me know what you think. Bye.
The best Amazon finds of 2024. These meal prep and baking sheet dividers that allow you to cook up to multiple things at once come with lids for leftovers and are so pretty. These nightstand organizers which keep all your cords off the floor and keep you super organized. The prettiest Stanley lunch tote that holds so much, perfect for summer beach trips, road trips. The perfect size to fit in any bag. These acrylic hat organizers which keep all your hats perfectly organized. My absolute favorite collapsible bins that are perfect for grocery trips. This 8-in-1 pot that allows you to cook up to 3 things at once has a built-in strainer, a frying deck, allows you to bake out of it, and has a perfect spoon rest. These airtight storage containers which keep all your dry food and ingredients completely fresh, and the lid doubles as a measuring cup. Prettiest kitchen gadget that slow cooks, pressure cooks, sautés, keeps your food warm, and is perfect for hosting. My absolute favorite bag is so perfect for summertime when you're taking all the things with you to the beach. Mini portable air pump which inflates and deflates in seconds. This collapsible stone drying mat that absorbs all water from your dishes and collapses away for easy storage. This indoor-outdoor cooler side table holds all your favorite drinks and is perfect for hosting. This 6-in-1 Wonder Oven which can air fry, toast, roast, reheat, and broil all in one. My absolute favorite tumbler which does not spill. This chicken shredder, perfect for easy dinners. This 2-in-1 cake stand that doubles as a charcuterie board. One of my favorite hosting finds of the year. These Stanley jugs are so cute, hold so much water, and are perfect for road trips and sports games. Magnetic travel containers that are so pretty and keep you perfectly organized. The viral snack organizer that holds so many different snacks. These car trunk organizers which fit so much, are so cute, and they keep everything organized. The cutest bow toppers for your Stanley cups. These stove gap covers which prevent any food from falling in the cracks, and they look really sleek. And finally, these leak-proof lids for your Stanley which work so well and give you total peace of mind.
Girly things on Amazon. My weakness. Okay, I will repurchase this and repurchase this probably forever until they stop selling it. I'm actually due to do my lamination again, but I never go to the salon and get my eyebrows done anymore because I do my brow lamination at home. It saves me so much money. If you want your curls to last all night, get some hair rollers. This pack comes with all larger sizes, which is perfect for those big wavy Hollywood curls. Okay, this is my all-time favorite purple shampoo. If you have bleached hair, highlighted hair, you need a purple shampoo. I found that this one is the most affordable for how pigmented it is and how well it works. I've been using this for years. These earrings, because yes, I love them. I actually wear them so much. This is the e.l.f. glossy lip stain that everyone's talking about. I can never find this in stores, but I ordered it on Amazon and they have all the colors. So good. Okay, this body brush. You guys, I don't know why I've been using a loofah for so long. I know how disgusting it is. Everyone talks about how bad it is for you. The reason I was not using a body brush for so long is because they all hurt. They're scratchy. It's not cute. But this one though is soft. It's plush. So I'm all for it. I've been wanting one of these for so long. But now that it's cozy bath season, I finally have a reason to get one. I will be putting my iPad on there, believe me. I will be sitting in my bath, face mask on. If you just want to treat yourself at home, have a nice little bath, this just makes me feel so luxury. Like for part 2.
Random Amazon find. This drink holder can hold up to 5 different types of beverages and it dispenses it like a vending machine. This is a click and carry which makes it easy to hold all your bags of groceries so you can take everything in one trip. These are disposable air fryer plates so you don't have to wash the inside of your air fryer ever again. This is a couch console which can store your food and your drinks. And it has an anti-spilling compartment so you never make a mess. It has a bunch of different attachments and a storage drawer with a built-in charger. This is a nuts flowy which dispenses a small amount of food every time you push down. If you lose these bag clips a lot, get these replacement ones and you can use them to keep your bread or any bag of food fresh.
10 things you need from Amazon this month. This outlet charger for your toothbrush, it gets rid of clutter on the counter. This charger for your devices, it keeps them organized and all in one place. These cable holders, because I hate it when the cable falls behind the table. Dish pod holder, which easily attaches to any cupboard door. I've said this before, but if you love puzzles, you need a puzzle board. This garbage bag holder, this is another fave that attaches easily to your cupboard under the sink. Fabric shaver to get rid of all those annoying little fluff balls on your clothes. Leg covers, which fit on almost any chair leg and they won't fall off. The viral money box, which will help you save $10,000 this year. And my favorite closet organizer, it's perfect for jeans and sweaters.
Top 15 Amazon products for this month. This is a human-sized dog bed that comes with its own blanket and it's machine washable so it's easy to clean. This is a trolley dolly which makes it easy to roll heavy items up the stairs. This is a smart trash can that automatically seals the bag when it's full and when it's done it replaces the bag by itself. This is a latte pen that lets you draw meaningful designs on any type of drink. This sign sticks on any type of car window and allows you to communicate with other drivers on the road. This is a fake rock with a secret compartment where you can hide your house keys so no one can find them. These are disposable air fryer plates so you never have to wash the inside of your air fryer ever again. This pot can plug into an outlet so you can cook any type of food from your bed. These are mess-free nail clippers. They store the clippings inside a compartment so they're easy to throw out. This is a Bluetooth scroller that lets you swipe through TikToks without even touching your phone. These are reusable straws that come apart when it's time to clean them, and once you're done you can connect it back together. This is a car mirror that snaps onto your existing one and it lets you see both of your blind spots. This is a spoon which has a notch on the side of it so you don't get your counter dirty when you set it down. This is a sink topper which gives you more counter space in your bathroom, which is perfect for small apartments. This is a wireless water dispenser that you put by your bed. It lets you choose the amount of water and then it fills up automatically.